guys, it's Wyatt with the Ramp Rack. Here's our Extreme series. We're at the Equip Expo. Just wanted to clarify a couple things. So with our Extreme series, the only thing that's going to be different is the front portion of the rack. So the ramp, the dovetail, that's all going to be the same. The PU 100, 200, and 300. This is the 200 here with the front shelf for the push mower. So this is essentially the setup that we use for our lawn care company. We have 4 trucks we run like this. We put the 21-inch push mower up top, a 36-inch right intensity, and then a 52-inch right ZK in the back. That's really worked well for us over the years. Right now we've got a 48-inch standard X, right standard X up front, and the new ZK3 52-inch in the back. So people have been able to get a 60 or 61-inch on if they back the mower on, but it's a really tight fit. So one really nice feature about our Extreme series that a lot of people don't realize is it's pretty much one size fits all. So this will fit any 1500 to 3500 pickup, long or short bed. It's not vehicle, make, model specific. So if you want to come around on this side. So we've got our trimmer racks on here. These trimmer racks are made by Green Touch Industries. We made this bracket so you can easily access them from the side of the truck. We also make an accessory to get you up over the wheel wells if people want to run 2 52s. We make an accessory so you can get up over the wheel wells. More than likely you won't want the shelf in that instance, so you can get 2 mowers up in there. But we'll go ahead and unload a mower and show you how it works. Like I said, this is the new ZK3 from Wright. It's a 52-inch model. And then up here we have the 48-inch X. That kind of gives you an idea how much room you have between the wheel wells. So without the ramp kit, the biggest you can get up front of the truck is going to be a 48-inch. If you really want to haul 2 mowers, more than likely you're going to need a 3/4 ton truck, and you're going to need an 8-foot bed. All of our products have self-latching ramps, and they are spring assist. So this one has a garage door spring on the side here, and when you push it up, it's going to automatically lock into place. That way you're not spending time fiddling with the latches on either side. A big thing at the show here this year we've been talking about is efficiency. So 2 years ago we went to 1-person mowing crews, and although we're spending a little bit more time on the properties, we're actually making more money per property. So it's kind of like the right tool for the right job. This definitely will pay for itself in a matter of no time, especially in the lawn care and landscape industry when labor is the #1 driver of cost. I want to give you a rundown of our Sport. So we specifically made this for smaller vehicles, Tacomas, Rangers, Colorados, but it will also fit your full-size trucks. So this will fit anything with a 2-inch or larger receiver hitch. A lot of people have used them for 10-foot box trucks, U-Haul box trucks, and modified the bumper supports to make them work on those trucks as well. You've got your hitch mechanism, which goes into the hitch, grabs the hitch pin. When you tighten down this 3/4 inch nut, it's going to wedge itself into the hitch, give you a lot of stability, and allow you to be really stable from side to side. And you've also got these 2 bumper supports, one on each side. Now all of our products have self-latching ramps, and they are spring assist. So the Sport unit has 2 gas springs. I'll show you how this works. Just push those 2 pins down, bring it back towards you. The gas springs on the side are going to do the work of lifting the ramp. When you go to put it back up, you just pull it up, kind of give it a little pop there, and it locks itself back into place. So the nice thing about this, like I said, is it's kind of a one size fits all. If you have any questions, just let us know, theramprack.com. Thanks.